Sanmanani and welcome back to another video where we look at some of the interesting takes that you guys have. Each episode is Ibuga Yutando Nestembu. This is episode 26, Opinions. I guess Begege Ugutaban Bateni. And also I would just like to thank you guys for the love and support that I've been receiving. Please continue to show your support and love to the channel by liking, commenting, and also most importantly subscribing. I guess Begege ukuthi abantu batheni kahle kahle after watching episode 26. The first comment is from Ushero. Uti, they gave this boy so much power and freedom to say and do what he wants, so it's too late to reprimand him. Yo, I agree so much with this comment. Ucebile uthi sengiyalibona ngempela ke manje leli toys elabonwa uSne. Umatsheme uthi uSne must keep quiet. She's the female version of her brother. And then Andisa uthi hayibo lengane yavala le ndaba kaSne yavusa eyayo engasile nje. Hi number ngididile lapha because I thought he was going to defend uSne. Instead wabona opportunity once again like he did ngespeech samnini, wabona opportunity avuse ezakhe indaba. Unobuhle uthi yena, but it seems like uMpumelelo is on the right here, and I agree he is right kodwa inkinga itone just like his mother. Izinto abayishoyo zi-right, but indlela abayisho ngayo into, it's like they're always looking to fight. Uboniwe yena uthi whenever uShibase is not happy with her children's behavior or actions, uthi bafuze ubaba wabo. Uthi uMpumelelo woniwa umseleku, now umnini iqili ufuze umseleku. So yena as their mom, where is her input in parenting and raising these kids kanti if their characters are solely influenced by their dad? Iyadida lento. And this sting of being dismissive of Mnini's emotions kuthiwe iqili ingane when he is expressing himself, hayi bafethu. Udipuo yena uthi a narcissist will treat you like a queen and then go back to his ways again and apologize with big gifts or trips. People will not see what these women are feeling. Umakoma yena uthi uMayeni doesn't love Musa anymore. I was like that as well. When the feelings are gone, you get irritated very easily, and this is the time where Musa loves her more. Sad reality. Uboitumelo yena uthi Sne is a fine one to talk with her stinking attitude. She's really quick to forget how she even speaks to Umacele and pulling bad attitude at this trip. She should not pull an opinion cause she cannot do self-reflection. USninja must be held accountable cause she too unakho nje ukudelela bakithi kuthi phela manje vele useshintshile, useyabona manje ukuthi thina besizizwa kanjani ke masimuzwa ekhuluma noMacele emcela imali, the way asuke emcela ngayo imali futhi nje isuke idelela, the way ayekhuluma ngayo ngobaba wakhe namakhosikazi ababa wakhe kuleya podcast was disrespectful. So okwakhe nje uSne kuwes kakhulu kunokwaMpumelelo cause out there uMpumelelo ukhuluma kahle ngobaba wakhe, but yena uSne uyakwazi ukuthi akhulume kabi ngobaba wakhe kwabanye abantu. So which one is worse? Bayafana nje. uMazikode yena uthi uShibase ngiyamthanda kodwa seqala ukungicika, why vele ehlezi ready ukususa umsindo. Uzinhle uthi uSne ilihlazo sana, even umntanakhe is annoyed nguye. Let's touch on that kancane because I felt like it was really weird kancane. When uThando said that, I really thought ukuthi it's interesting that she said that phakathi kwabantu vele abangamfuni uma wakhe. And I was just thinking ukuthi I don't think she believes that uyisho ngoba nakho azi ukuthi uhleli nabantu abangamfuni uma wakhe, and if she kept quiet bekuzoba awkward kakhulu for yena herself ngoba uma wakhe igcineni. So to gain favor or to feel included nje phakathi kweingane zakamseleku uzosho njalo vele. And I honestly feel like uThando is embarrassed by uma wakhe. I'm sure she feels like uSne is very ungrateful and very immature ukuthi angaze ngayiboni izibusiso anazo empilweni yakhe, because yena uThando she wants to be included kwizinto zakamseleku, she wants to feel like one of the kids. So now uma wakhe mayenza ama stunts akanjena uyabona ukuthi hayibo akayihlukanise noma wakhe by saying izinto ezibi kanje, ukuze futhi akwazi ukuthi a-create leso safe space for others to speak badly ngoma wakhe phambi kwakhe, bengafeel as if kumele beyibambe abantu uma befuna usho something about uma wakhe just because kukhona yena. And honestly, I just didn't like how uMakhumalo noMangwabe handled leya situation. They should have just shut it down instead of asking ukuthi ingane ibithini, because they knew ukuthi ingane ibisho into snacks. But ke asazi, uThembi uthi uMakhe must keep up the good work ngokubeka ingane phambili. May God bless you with one. uThembi uthi kumuncu nje la shame uyazama kodwa ubaba uMseleku ukubajabulisa. uNomvula uthi sicefe nje i-self catering. Usithathu uthi Mayene's response towards Mseleku sometimes hayi ubonisiwe uthi uMangwabe sengathi unenkinga nje noMayeni, yini kumele atshele bona ukuthi uyeza. And then uMtswake uthi ubungani babo buqiniswa ngegama likaMayeni. I disagree so much, guys. If bebekhuluma ngento engabadingi, then bengizo understand the way you guys are coming from, but this situation in particular involves them indirectly, because if they did have a good relationship bonke amakhosikazi, it would not be an issue ukuthi omunye uthakezi, because the other wives would step in. But in this situation, uMacele wacela uSne ukuthi agade ingane on the trip. Naye uMayeni ngobethe akezi bekumele alethe umuntu ozogada ingane zakhe. So if ingane ziyeza yena nkezi zizophekela uba. So naye I'm sure uyicabangisisile because she ended up going to the trip. So uyicabangisise kahle naye ukuthi she was very unreasonable. Ukuphuca ingane lelo thuba lokubonda nobabwazo nokubonda nama siblings abo was very, very unreasonable. Ukungezi kwakhe was very unreasonable. So she had to come herself. And guys, ngishilo ngathi uMakhumalo, hey guysini, yazi people are sleeping on her ngempela when it comes to this kids issue. They're simple nje, zwana noMakhumalo and you'll see. Because even if akazwani nalamanye amakhosikazi, the kids absolutely love her. That's why I said in my other review ukuthi kuzomsiza uMakhwela ukuthi azwane noMakhumalo, ngoba once bazwana guaranteed uzomsiza ngengane. Sithembu si-complicated ngempela, si-complicated. Because manje uMayeni ukwi-trip but she doesn't want to be on the trip. Ngabe uyihlalele kubo because she doesn't like the idea ye-self catering. But because she doesn't have a relationship with the other wives, akekho umuntu angadependela kuyena. Nanokuthi ke she accused someone of poisoning ingane yakhe. So ungamsiza kanjani kumuntu esekhulume kanjalo? uBeauty uthi Mayeni please yekela ulaka necheek yakho, sekwanele lo baba akasazi athini and akalwi nawe, ukhuluma nawe ngokuzotha. uChoyitha uthi uMakhumalo would happily and selflessly serve them, but she's scared because bazothi uyaphapha. I agree. uNcedo uthi I loved how umnini was so happy seeing uMakhe, so cute. uHlaselihle uthi uMakhumalo doesn't have kids, but I love how she thinks of other people's kids and making a plan for them to eat. Into ehlula uma wabo njengoba ebekhalazela i-self catering. uMpumelelo is a direct reflection of his mom and dad. Hlezi belwa and there's no respect between them, so that's why naye enje. He doesn't respect either of them cause imfundiso zabo uMseleku noMayeni. Sne is slowly coming to the party. It nearly took losing her dad for her to wake up and smell the coffee. uNombuso yena uthi I don't like self catering too. I feel like if I'm still going to cook, then I should stay at home. Nami, I didn't see any reason for them to do self catering, which is why I think uMusa, uSne noMayeni, they ruined a trip. uSne uyone ngokuthi nje aqove nje the whole time. uMseleku uyone ngokuthi ayenze ibe self catering azi kahle ukuthi amakhosikazi akhe anjani. And then uMayeni uyone ngokuthi eze nje kwi-trip. That's how she ruined it. I feel like ukube bengekho izinto bezoba lighter kakhulu, ukube uSne bengekho izinto bezoba lighter kakhulu. Imagine ke if uMseleku bengekho ukuthi bizoba mnandi kanjani, because bahleli besho ukuthi kuba mnandi kakhulu if uMseleku akekho. UTD uthi, in my heart of hearts, uMakhaya deserves her own husband who will focus on just her and give her a child. She has all the makings of a successful woman. Why settle for this mediocre man? And then Kesana Usindis Utitando said the thing has left, referring to her mother. Sne's character is really causing her own child to disrespect her. Uhlalengena uthi uMangwabe noMakhumalo are gossiping about uMayeni again. It's giving obsession. And then Insurance uthi, I repeat, uMayeni needs help. Dismisses child's feelings, brings in negative vibe. She knew it was self-catering, so who must cook for her? Utina uthi Mangwabe and Thobile are always gossiping about uMayeni, and when she reacts, kothiwa urude. Utsidi uthi kanti yini ukuhleba bakwethu ngoba babuza izinto ezibalulekile. Methi yena ngeke enze lutho, izingane zakhe uyayicabangela yini njengoba athi ingane yadla ushevu. Ubani ungakwazi ukunakekela izingane zakhe ngoba egcineni kuzobe sekugxekwa bona futhi ukuthi ibona abakade benzela izingane zakhe ukudla. Ezinye izinto anike nizibuke ngeso lokukhula not lokuzonda nibadala ngoba egcineni inina enizobe senigxeka senithi bebexakwe yini ngezingane zikaMayeni. Umbatini uthi, but Mangwabe and Makhaya are not gossiping. Makhaya is just being updated about what happened at the meeting, which is true vele. If she doesn't want to cook, who must cook for her and her kids? Ehleli yena. Qeda lapho uzothi hey poison. She should have just stayed home because she knew from the get-go that it's self-catering. Like uMacele, she sent someone to cook for her kids. And then Utawana uthi uMayeni should stop dismissing Nini's feelings like that. That boy is fragile. Okay, Dumetena uti, why do they even have a get-together if they know they will not enjoy? Umthombeni must just have outings with each wife and their kids. And then Akoliwe uti, love it when the young wives are gossiping about uShibasi. Uthembela yena uthi umzali mezokwenza amaphutha phambi kwabantwana sebebadala bagcina sebephelelwa ukumethemba. Umthombeni uyena oziqedela isithunzi kubantwana bakhe. Kubhlungu kona kodwa naye akenze kahle phambi kwabantwana. I absolutely agree with this comment because remember that conversation abanayo uMseleko with uMpumelelo talking about uGhana where he said kuzomela eqale kube uyena oqeda ukuthatha amakhosikazi then ke uMpumelelo can get married kwayena. Angazi noma culture or indlela nje vela bayenza ngayo kaMseleko, but I just did not like their conversation because for me it revealed ukuthi uMseleko wakhe a friendship foundation part kwakhe namadodana akhe. Njengoba manje nje isimhlula uMseleko nje mele enze izinto angaconsulti or amtshele uMpumelelo ngama plans akhe because mase ngasamtsheli uMpumelelo is gonna feel entitled to know some of the things that he's not allowed to know at his age as ingane nje kaMseleko. Nanokuthi nje uMpumelelo useyibona as this advisor kaMseleko to tell him what to do, how to do it, as if he has this wealth of knowledge njengempilo ekubeni usamncane. I also think the way uMseleko speaks about amakhosikazi akhe kuMpumelelo as if ukhuluma nomngani, and the way the wives speak to uMseleko contributes to how uMpumelelo relates nobaba wakhe because uyambona ukuthi akayona indoda le ayecabanga ukuthi uyiyona ngesikhathi sawumfana esakhule sabukela kubaba wakhe, but now that he's older he feels like ubaba wakhe is actually like this weak man. And I honestly think uMpumelelo ucabanga ukuthi nje yena he can do better than ubaba wakhe when it comes to isithembu. But Kesana, that is all I have for episode 26. I would like to hear what you think about this episode. Please make sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe so that our community can grow. Ay Kesana ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.